Hey everyone, Jamie Quinn back to talk to you about another Lemare product, and this one I have been using so often that I honestly didn't even realize I haven't talked about it yet, and that is the Lemare Renewal Oil. So let's rewind and talk about this. For those of you that have used the Renewal Oil, I'm sure you're all like, yes, it's amazing. My skin feels so soft and smooth and it has this gorgeous glow to it, and that's what this beautiful product does. It is truly a cult classic. Every time I see a picture of someone's shelfie, they always have the Renewal Oil on there. Like, it's just become one of those products that everybody just adores because it's not just focused for your face. You can actually use it all over your body as well. I know it's a little expensive to do that with, but you can. I feel like it's a multi-purpose oil in that you can add it to your foundation if your foundation's feeling a little dry or you need that extra boost of hydration throughout the day. You can use it as a primer. You can use it just to add a little glow as a highlighter. You can add it to any of your creams, whether it be an eye cream, a face cream, a body cream. You can just use this anywhere. And the best part is once you've already pushed it into your face, if you have any extra on your hands, you can actually run it through your hair. Like, it literally does everything. And it smells amazing too. They call the scent a honey blossom scent, and it's truly just an amazing Lemare smell that you just want to inhale. It's a lightweight oil. I'm actually not normally a fan of oils. In wintertime, I'll use a little bit heavier of an oil, but in summertime, you're not going to see me go near them. This one I will. It's actually so lightweight, it absorbs really quickly, it doesn't like linger on your skin, it doesn't make you look greasy. The fun part about using it is it actually does separate a little bit. So for me personally, I just press down on the dispenser up at the top and then I give it a little shake so it mixes up all the beautiful oils. Besides, of course, Lemare Miracle Broth, there's also eucalyptus oil in here, sesame oil, and they also added the lime tea concentrate in here to help protect your skin against any external aggressors. Now, a few drops with this guy goes a long way. So this bottle will last you. Like, if I just take, like, that is 2 drops, and I can press a little bit on my cheekbone, and I can even press a little bit into my collarbone, and it just adds that little glow that I love. You can use this over makeup. Sometimes I use it as like a little touch-up if I'm feeling a little dry in certain areas. It's just a beautiful, beautiful oil. Oh, you guys. See that? I can't think of anything bad to say about it. It doesn't clog pores. It doesn't irritate my skin. It definitely adds that extra oomph of hydration. They have the deluxe samples that you can also get. And those are great to take on the airplane with you, and you can use it to like pat in your face once you land or before you even take off to give yourself a little protection from all of that dryness on the airplane. Oil formulas in general are a great way to infuse your skin with hydration and help with any dryness, but also to give you that youthful glow. Oils in general will also make your skin soft. That is just one of the benefits of using oils. If you have rough skin, if you want to smooth it out, if you want to have more of a flawless look with your makeup, oils are fantastic for that. You might have other oils that you love using, and you know what, I could probably go and compare this to a couple of ones that I also have on my shelf. But as far as a great oil goes, it truly is. If you want me to compare it to another oil as far as like how lightweight the Renewal Oil is, if you go to your local Sephora and you put a little of the Nani oil from Cora Organics on your hand, that is also a very lightweight oil, and I would say it's a very similar weight to the Renewal Oil. So just in case you're kind of apprehensive about oils, that's kind of where it's going to be. I hope this video has helped you guys understand a little bit more about the Renewal Oil, and if you've been on the fence about even testing it, definitely grab a sample. Definitely pull that out of your wish list, put it in your shopping cart, because this is one of those cult favorite oils for a reason. But I'm gonna actually be filming a whole lot of videos right now, so you will see this look and outfit in the next couple videos, because I'm not leaving here until I get some videos out for you guys. So stay tuned, you'll see a lot more Lemare coming your way. Thanks so much. Bye guys.